His pigeon chest has opened his U-sway up. Who's flexing? Go on, push with them tiptoes, lads. Not bad, Dealey, not bad. Hey, that was all right. Go on, Johnny. There's no way around him. Yes, Johnny! Hard to get it stopped. Let's see if we can get down without crashing. Oh, Gowins's legs are all over. Oh my god! I thought Gubbins was off then. Oh god. Oh shit! 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 How did I stay on that? Gubbins! How did either of us stay on that? 3, 4 huskies all lining up for some logging. Go on, Johnny, you've got it there. Almost! Whoa, good dismount. Downhill at its best. You got this, Johnny lad. He's doing the ruts all the way down, but there's a log coming up. Go on, Johnny. I'm going with him. Oh, oh, this is bad. Oh, Johnny, which way have you took me? Johnny lad, why have you took us this way? Can't you see where the group's gone? Hop and go! Hop and go, go! Swing that big leg. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh my god! Ted, you'd have been better off over at logs. She was slick. Oh, that was mega. Oh, yes, Dealey. Oh. That did not work at all. Now I'm in the firing line for this. Teddy and Tomo in front. Yes, Jay!
John. It's all good. I love it all. It's the best. Best it can possibly be. Ghost Rider! Woo! That's the...
Should we drop in? Drop in. Uh-oh. Gotta get out. And back in. Whoa, stabbage alert. Oh, it's done cookie. Rough ground. Been peppered. Yes, we haven't done this for a while. Woo! That got me wet. Brutal. I know. It's sketchy, isn't it? Bike's knocking a bit. Oh, that was soft. Get out of that. Someone's going to go over bars on that, surely. 6 shot. Look at them all. Yes! Who's done that? Oh, what a surprise!
Oh well.
I nearly went over bars. There was a real soft section.
Jay went proper over the bars.
Who did? Did he?
Big time, big one.
Have you been for a trip over at top?
Front end just went
Yeah, I was that concerned watching him. I let him ride straight.
We're into some extreme now, lads. Yes. Oh. That's it, Tomo. We haven't been in here for ages. That was deep. That's deep. Oh, I've lost it. I've lost it, lads. Oh. Woo. Good one. Take them off completely now. This is that bit we used to come down, James. Oh hell! Fuck me, lads! You're on the edge there, aren't you? Oh hell, it's going! Got a bike going down bank here. What are you doing? Oh, there's another ledge there though. Yeah, yeah. Tickle it. Yes, lads. We're going to try and get up. This is mega. Woo! Could have had my eye out. Oh yeah, did that last week as well. And that's come out of there. There's shit out there. Need some new ones of them. Oh, he's gone over! Oh shit, is he alright? Alright, Ted. I've got your bike. Oh. Jesus, Teddy, man. Yeah, Jamie rolled it, but his bike's lowered, isn't it? Go on, just get it. Just get it out, John. John. Oh. Johnny, let's go in that. That'll go. Go on, give it some revs. A lot of throttle on. Eh? No, there's something white in the water.
Oh, yeah.
What is it? How? Just drive towards it. Oh, it got bad for Johnny.
Right.
He drowned his bike a bit, but got it running, and he fell in the drink.
Yeah.
gonna do as soon as I get to it.
Yes!
You've got to get to that black stuff, haven't you?
We won't get across there looking at that. Go on, Odgie. Oh no! Turn camera away. Oh! Well, you all tried to smash me then? And that's the end of this ride. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, we forgot about Jonny, lad! Can't believe we forgot about the seagulls. Oh man, what a day. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Get your tyres at EnduroTyres.com. See you in a bit. Bosh. Oh, Jonny! Same.